The next question is from GATE 2019 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 2 marks. The elementary irreversible liquid phase parallel reaction take place in a isothermal non-ideal reactor. The C curve measured in a tracer experiment is shown in the figure, where Ct is the concentration of the tracer. In this, the rate constant are K1 and K2 is this. Pure A is fed to the reactor at a concentration of 2 mole per liter. Using the segregated model, the percentage conversion in the reactor is. Let's start with the solution. For parallel reaction, we know that we will add these two equations. Minus R is equal to K1 Ca square plus K2 Ca square. We know that K1 is 0.2, K2 is 0.3, so it will be completely minus R is equal to 0.5 Ca square. Next, for segregated model, we know that it is given as x is equal to 0 to infinity xt et dt, and we know that et is given as ct upon 0 to infinity ct dt. 0 to infinity ct dt, area under the curve c versus t. It is the area under the curve c versus t, and area under the curve, how we can calculate it as, it is a triangle. You can see here it is a triangle, and area of the triangle is given as 1 by 2 into base into height. So we know that base is 6 minus 0, that is 6, into height is 5. 0 to 5 is 5. So from this we get the 0 to infinity ct dt will be 1 by 2, 6 into 5, it will be 15. From 0 to 1, you can see here, but we don't know the value of ct, so we will see actually ct is a concentration, is a function of t, time, right? So we will use here two limits from 0 to 1 and 1 to 6. You can see here whenever we are calculate ct, we will calculate here two functions from 0 to 1 and 1 to 6. So first we will calculate this. We know 2.000 and 5,1. From this we will calculate the value of ct. Line equation of this line will be y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So by using this formula we will calculate the function. So you can see here from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 5. So ct minus 0 means y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus 0, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0, and x minus x1, that is 0. You can see it. So from this we get ct is equal to 5t. From 1 to 6 we need to calculate second function, that is 1 from 1 comma 5 to 6 comma 0. Again we will use same formula, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So from this we will get the ct is equal to minus t plus 6, and we know that et is equal to ct upon 0 to infinity ct dt. And for second order reaction, xt is equal to kc naught t upon 1 plus kc naught t. So for second order it is given as, right, xt is equal to k into 0.5 into 2 into t upon this, and from this we get t upon 1 plus t. So you can see here x is equal to 0 to infinity xt et dt. Now we will use two limits 0 to 1 and 1 to 6 for this. xt et, xt we know that t upon 1 plus t, and we know that et for this is equal to, what will be the et? 0 to infinity ct dt is 15, and we know that et is equal to ct upon 0 to infinity ct dt, and ct for 0 to 1 limit will be ct is equal to 5t. So from this we will put all these values, then we get xt into et for 0 to 1. Similarly for 1 to 6 we will use this, and it is t upon 1 plus t, and it is minus t plus 6 upon 15. 15 is for 0 to infinity ct dt, right? Now we will solve this equation. X is equal to 0 to 1, 5t square, this. So we can do one thing, 0 to infinity we will cancel out it will be t square 3 into 1 plus t dt minus 1 to 6 we can separate it out as t square 15 1 plus t dt plus 126 2t upon 5 into 1 plus t dt. Now we can do one thing. For we will solve these separately, right? So what we can do, 0 to 1 t square 3 into 1 plus t dt, 1 plus t is equal to u we can put, right, and it will be dt is equal to du, and we can say that t is equal to u minus 1. After this we will put this, and limit will change. For u it will be 1 to 2 since u is equal to t plus 1. So you can see here, this is simple calculation here. Right now u minus 1 whole square will be u square minus 2u plus 1. After solving we get 0.06438. Similarly, for the next 1 to 6 t square 15 1 plus t into dt is equal to 2 to 7 u minus 1 ka whole square divided by 15u. Similarly, I am doing this, and from this we will get final answer will be 2 to 7. Final answer will be 0.9168. Similarly, for with third term, for third term we will calculate this, calculate it as, right, you can see here. After solving, you can solve it as u minus 1, we can divide it by u, then 2 by 5 will be outside this integral, then it will be 1 minus 1 upon u, and you can solve it. After solving we get 1.4988. Please see here, it is 2 to 7, it is 1 to 6. Since u is equal to 1 plus t, it will be 1 will be, we will add in the limits, so it will be 2 to 7. So now x is equal to final conversion will be, we will put all these values accordingly, then we get 64.62% conversion. This is really very long question in GATE 2019 for chemical reaction engineering. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.